I'm talking to you out there, Mr. Building owner or business owner, because if you're anything like me, you're often hit with the question of something went wrong in the building. Now, are you going to call the expert or are you going to allow your maintenance team to solve that problem? And let's be real, we are roofing and exterior experts here at Kanga Roof, but when it comes to our plumbing or our electrical, we go ahead and we know we're calling the experts because we know what we're good at and we know what we're not. But that is a real dilemma every building and business owner faces on a regular basis. So we thought we'd break down the pros and cons of using your maintenance team or going ahead and calling in the professional expert when you're dealing with some form of a leak in your building stemming from your roofing or siding. Because there really are positives and negatives to both decisions. So let's start with the convenient one, the one that you already have on staff, your maintenance team. The pros of using your own maintenance team are pretty straightforward, and the first one is big: speed. When you have a problem and you have a maintenance team on staff, they're on it like that. They can throw up the ladder, get up there and see what's wrong. It's hard to beat that. The other great benefit is cost. You already have them on the payroll, so the only costs you may incur are the costs for the materials. The third piece, and I think this is really big, is intimate building knowledge. Your maintenance team already knows your building. They know all the nuances, they know all the little surprises that may pop up, and that can translate into savings. Now, there are some negatives. The single biggest one is lack of expertise. Facilities and maintenance directors tend to be a wealth of information. Unfortunately, they tend to have a lot of information over a broad set of topics, but they may not have actual expertise in each of those individual areas. So what this can lead to is increased costs, because if the repair is performed improperly, it can lead to doing it again, more time, more hours, more labor, more materials. And in a worst case scenario, they may use things that are not compatible on your exact roofing system that can turn a small, simple repair into a very costly one. And in a rock bottom worst situation, they may use materials or misdiagnose something that lead to system failure, meaning rotten decking or the actual deterioration of the roofing system itself. They are rare, but they do happen because we see this all the time, unfortunately. Now, what's on the opposite side? Going ahead and calling that outside industry expert, or in this case, an actual commercial roofing expert. And I'm going to pause there because that's really important. Not every roofer is a commercial roofing expert. It's really important when you're calling for a repair, you are trusting somebody who has their certifications, license, and is insured in whatever systems that they may be working on. And again, not all commercial roofers are created the same, especially here in Michigan, where you are not even required to carry a license to be a commercial roofer. So, what are the pros of using one of these professional commercial roofing repair experts? Number one, it's fixed right the first time. You're not dealing with fixing that repair over and over again, which can result in downtime of equipment or just a frustrated office staff. Number two, warranties or guarantees. A real commercial roofing expert is going to provide you with some level of a written guarantee or warranty on the work they're providing for you. So this way, in the event Murphy's Law does rear its head and that leak comes back, you're not paying for that repair a second, a third, or a fourth time. Number three, specialization. Unfortunately, leaks tend to occur in the critical areas, or a lot of the times what we would call the tie-in joints, where maybe you're roofing and you're siding, or there's a termination and an HVAC system. By trusting an industry expert, they know how to deal with these nuanced and very intricate details that may be part of your roofing system. And by trusting the expert, they're going to know how to take it apart, put it back together, and ensure it's not going to leak again. So those are the pros, but there are cons. Number one, it's the day one upfront cost, right? by going outside of your organization, you're immediately going to incur an increased cost in getting that repair done by an expert as opposed to by your maintenance team. Number two, speed. There's no way a third party or an outside commercial roofing expert is going to be as fast getting up on that roof and attempting to solve the leak as your own maintenance team. So those are two very big, very real cons to going outside of the organization to get it fixed. Now, if you're a building owner and you're like us and you know what your team's good at and what they're not, and you're going to default to that expert, hey, we'd love to talk to you. We'd love to help. You can always give us a call, 586-566-0308, or you can skip the line, book online right through our website at kanga-roof.com. I hope you got some benefit out of this and learned a little bit of something to break down the pros and cons. At the end of the day, it's always an important decision and one that you should not take lightly. But again, we're here. We'd love to help. And as always, I hope you have a Kangarific